Hey everyone, I am Harshil and today I will show you the demonstration of a load balancer built using Node.js and Express, and also we can configure our load balancer using CLI, that is command line interface. So let's start. So these are the folder structure of our load balancer, and it have a bin folder. In index.js file I have defined all the logic of our script. And first of all, I will start my all the servers. So I have created three temporary servers, and all have some APIs like slash for health check and slash content for serving the this message, etc. And all three are running on different ports like that. So we have to start all three servers. So I have started all the three servers running on different ports. Now let's configure our load balancer. And so to run the load balancer, we have to run this command, that is start lb, which will run the script file. So now we have to answer all these questions and enter the number of servers. We have three servers, so I will put three here. Now it is asking for the URLs for URL server one. So I will add that localhost server like this. It is asking for all the three servers. Okay, now it is asking for the health check endpoint, and by default it is set to 1. And also we have a API which is health check API is on slash. So I will just do nothing and press the enter. Now it is asking for the time period for checking the server health. So I will add 5 in seconds. So it will run at every 5 seconds. Now start the load balancer. Yes. So now our load balancer is running on port 4000. So let's go on the browser. So now let's see, it is going on the port 8002. Now I'll refresh this. Now it is going to 8003 and now 1. So it is serving all the incoming requests to the different server using round robin fashion. And we can also see that in our console, it is console log the health check of the three servers at every 5 seconds. So now we have total of three servers and all three are healthy. Now, what if I uh, dead a server manually? So I will stop that server too. Now let's see in that. Okay, now it is saying that server is dead and two are healthy. And if I now make the request, then it will only go to the healthy servers. And if I now again start that server, okay, now all three servers are healthy. So that's a load balancer works. And now let's see the code for that. This is the index.js file in the bash bin folder. To start our script, these are some basics libraries like choke for the color in the console, inquirer for the asking questions, etc. So first we will get the number of servers, like we are asking here the number of servers, and when the user puts, then we will uh, g- try to get the server URLs for all the three servers. And this is for the health check endpoint. By default it is slash, and we can give our own also. And this is for the health check period. We will give the time in seconds. After that periodically our cron job runs to check the health of the servers. And at last it will ask for to confirm to start the load balancer. If a user says yes, then it will start this function. This function is come from the server.js file. Now let's see this code. So this is the main function in which the port is running on 4000 and we have started our app. First of all, the URLs in the servers are pushed to the healthy servers array, because at starting all servers are healthy, and this is function which will run periodically after every health check period you defined by the users. We will see. Okay, so these two are the APIs. This slash favicon.ico is a do nothing, but it is a browser default API which will called at every API. So we does not need that. So I just get the response to 204, that is no content, and all the APIs are come to this app.all, and whenever a request come, this will call a function handle request. Now let's see. So first of all, this will add a log in our message file like this, and get the all details like receives request from this and all. Now in this we are getting the current server using round robin algorithm. In this I have defined a current variable initialized to -1, and if our healthy server's length is 0, that's mean no server is healthy, and it will return null, that's mean all servers are dead, else it will return the current value. Now if the current server is null, that will it will return a error, that is all servers are dead, else this will make a call to a new function make request to the server with parameter request and response. Now in this we are making the actual API to our servers, and this is for the getting the current URL, and this is the request.val which is the endpoint, for example slash content. So that's a main API call. Now let's see how the health check works. So it is a cron job which will run at every the defined period, and it will call this function health check. And now in this we have a for loop which will regularly checks the uh, server's URL and make a request to the health checkpoint. If it will get the response 2000, that is the server is healthy, then it will add the that server in healthy servers if it is not present, and if it found any error, then it will remove that URL from the healthy servers and log a console log health check server and the message. Else if this is for the console log the table we are here, these are the total servers, healthy servers and dead servers. uh, by with the help of table we are logging this table. And if you find this interesting, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow devs, and let's have conversation in the comments below. You will find the source code in the link in description. Thank you.